Good morning and buenos dias. Thank you for waking up with us this morning. We are tracking some active cells. We are under an ABC 7 first alert because of the rain chances for today. Even though today and tomorrow we do have the same amount rain chances, which is 40%, more than likely today we have a higher chance of seeing it because tomorrow it has a lot to do with how much added coverage that we have with clouds. So the clouds are pretty much taking over the borderland, and if the sun doesn't penetrate, it's going to be really tough for us to see those isolated thunderstorms. But if we do have some breaks within the clouds for tomorrow, we have a lot of added moisture and everything starts to heat up, then tomorrow we do have a chance to really see those isolated thunderstorms. And right here, as you can take a look at the Doppler radar, so pretty much around 2 hours ago, Las Cruces were tracking an active cell, and as you can see, it continues to push down right here from the borderline. But one thing that we have been tracking is that it starts up, but then once we start seeing it go down, it does lose all of the strength all of right here, because at the moment right now we should be tracking some active cells in this area, and we're not, and that's because it lost strength. But that doesn't mean that we're not going to see any more isolated thunderstorms, especially with everything starting to warm up later on. That's going to go ahead and increase our chances during the afternoon to see those isolated thunderstorms. So our high today is going to be 98. Las Cruces is at 95. A lot of it has to do with the added cloud coverage that we have, the added moisture. And one thing that we can look forward to is that we get to see some more rain, but hopefully it's not that much rain that we are tracking because of what's been happening with these isolated thunderstorms. We can have localized flooding. Also, when it comes to wind gusts, anywhere from 50, 60, 70 miles per hour in those isolated areas. And I'm tracking Las Cruces, Chaparral, El Paso, that might potentially see it. Also, our eastern counties and the far east side location. And when it comes to the Sacramento Mountains, you continue under a flood watch. And that's one thing that the moment that Ruidoso, you do start seeing some rain chances, it usually gets upgraded from flood watch to flood warning, especially because we are tracking that it looks like you might see some rain in those burn scars. And here's our hour by hour. If you are going to the Fun at the Pool Party pet event that's taking place at 5 o'clock today at the Animal Services, that's a free microchip for those animals. So what you can go to take advantage of around that time, we're going to be 95 degrees. So that's going to be our peak hours, really, or when the peak starts to dip down. So really comfortable conditions. And our street and sidewalk temperatures, if you're going out for a walk, bicycle, working out, taking your furry family members out right now, beautiful conditions, light winds right now, and the sun's out. Yeah, you do have some added moisture, but look at right here, 80 degrees when it comes to the sidewalk temperature, so really comfortable conditions. And when we're talking about rain chances, how much rain are we tracking within the borderline? As I fast forward all the way to 10 o'clock for today, then tomorrow, showing roughly around 1/10 to 3/10 of an inch, but we continue to fast forward. It does look like those rain chances really do increase. Here's our future track model brought to you by a mattress firm. So ABC 7 first alert for today, tomorrow, and Monday because of those rain chances. Look at Monday, 88 degrees. When it comes to Tuesday all the way to Friday, the good news is that not only do we have rain chances, we stick in our 90s. When it comes to beautiful Las Cruces, just like beautiful El Paso, it looks like we're going to be in our 80s and 90s. We'll be right back. Stick around.